in the bustling heart of growing Somali cities. Communities face a dual challenge: building a better future while confronting a changing climate. For decades, climate shocks, migration and conflict have shaped these urban centers. But today, a new force is shaping them: resilience driven by local leadership and community ownership. Sinaan means balance or equity in Somali, reflects the harmony between infrastructure, social inclusion and climate resilience. Sinaan's slogan, Sikastaba, also indicates equity in every way. Funded by UK government and supported by the British Embassy in Mogadishu, Sinaan is delivering scalable interventions in a blended approach mode through technical assistance and catalytic financing, ensuring that cities are not only recipients of aid but are active drivers of their own resilience and economic renewal. Formerly known as the Green Urban Growth Programme, Sinaan is a partnership between the Ministry of Interior, Federal Affairs and Reconciliation, Moifar, Federal Government of Somalia and British Embassy in Mogadishu. Sinaan ensures that every intervention is not only about building infrastructure but about building peace, equity and resilience together. It recognizes that social inclusion, gender equality and environmental stewardship are inseparable. Sinaan aligns closely with the British Embassy's Somalia priorities and His Majesty's government broader principle of doing more with less, maximizing the impact of every pound spent through evidence-based prioritization, local financing and climate-smart design. With strategic focus on governance, green infrastructure and finance mobilization, Sinaan is unlocking innovation and climate finance to power and create more resilient cities. Across Somalia cities, Sinaan is working in partnership with communities, cities, federal member states and the federal government to transform urban life, making cities inclusive, safe and climate-smart urban futures. This is a model for the future, proof that through partnership, a stable, prosperous and sustainable Somalia is within reach.